As temperatures remain super reasonable for this time of year, 77 degrees right now. So for Friday night, it's really turning out to be a beautiful night. 91 San Bernardino, 84 Corona, up towards Oxnard, Ventura. Look at this, 68. You get over the grade. Camarillo at 73, 88 up into the high deserts, 76 Santa Ana, Apple, Lucerne Valley. Y'all are coming in at 89 right now. Irvine cruising in at 78 degrees and 76 once again for Santa Ana. So there's the winds coming in out of the north-northwest right now. If you're going up north, Santa Barbara up to the north, you're running into wind advisories. Those are sundowner winds. Gets a little blowing, especially as you get up towards Gaviota, obviously through the pass there. 83 is where we hit it today. 84 is your average. There's the low just off Eureka, California, and that's developing the trough for us. The high sitting over Texas firmly right now. That's dragged all the monsoonal moisture off to the east. If you're going out to Havasu or Vegas, no problems on your ride out there this evening. No thunderstorm activity. A little bit up just north of San Francisco. Some rain as the high continues to sit over Texas. There goes the low pressure area by Sunday. We've got a couple of areas of lows that are going to continue to move through. The high will slowly kind of move back. We'll get one day where we pop in temperatures, but another area of low pressure will swing to the south. Once that happens, again, it'll sharpen up the latter part of next week and keep things just super nice. Look at this. The beach is looking great. Downtown, a little bit below normal. We pop on Tuesday or so. Then we go right back down again Wednesday and Thursday as that trough sharpens up. These valley temps are the hottest temps. The warmest we'll see probably Tuesday again, which will be like we were yesterday or day before yesterday, i.e. 93 high deserts. Wow, look at the high deserts. Mountain 75 as well, and we cool down at night. That is good news. Take care of your animals. Don't forget to adopt this weekend if you're going to Long Beach tonight. Pat will be out there, don't forget, doing the Jazz Festival. We'll see you at 11. Back to you guys.